I'm Faithann with Window Cleaning Plus. Amy with Height Digital Norman and I started Next Level Networking because we saw a need for Norman business owners to meet and network with each other and build some relationships. What I really like about Next Level Networking is that new business owners who have limited resources can come to our lunch once a month. Also, the business owners who attend tell me that they get immense value from the bite-sized educational talks that Joseph and Amy present at every meeting.
One of the things we like to do on a monthly basis is offer you guys some real value, some takeaways that you can take today and implement in your business to move yourself forward one step at a time. How many of you in this room would love for your DMs to be full of people looking for vacations or for what you sell? Right? You can raise both hands all the way to the ceiling, right? So we want our DMs to be full of people. We do not have to go viral for that to happen. What we have to do is be intentional about our strategy. Your DMs can be full of people looking to do business with you. So we talked a little bit before about how the algorithm works, and I want to touch on that briefly again just because we have some new faces. We teach the algorithm, we're just going to use Facebook as a placeholder, but I mean social media, okay? We teach Facebook what it is that we want to see. First tip, make sure that your profile photo is a professional headshot and make it the same across every single channel that you're on. On your Facebook, your Instagram, your LinkedIn, wherever you are, make sure that your headshot is the same because then people begin to recognize you. Someone I've never met, and I guess she had to step out, said, I recognize you from your face. And I've never met her before, but she recognizes that my profile picture is the same over and over.
Come check us out. We meet on the second Wednesday of every month at Rudy's Barbecue in Norman.